Ebi bigambirwa nyemwe bazya mukoro go kushabira beje barwe bita preparatory school Umuringoma Shema municipality. Aba hona barabwirwa kwetwaza je baba bajiro mu cyumuro ngwabwo kuba nibaza kumara yo bwire buringwa
mano bakore birungi bakagumana bakusimba butwire bwona we bari mukama kukikora aba yahurukana yazo murongo faka dere yabo kwehe yazo mukahehe yabo kunukomu yabo kunuka muriya tubakwenda kagamira kagera katkatuma tiga kakati no fa wata fire no kala omurongo faka mchumureze chokwe chatamweji nibabo kareta abemizano abemshotse biribiti abajure mu biribiti binezanyashi rero bagira bati rero bagira motoka murubaza kutashona nkeji rero bana bwana kubaho motoka rero birukanga buzoko fera yo mutema mwobarara yo.
Thank you for your hard work, thank you for your commitment, and I am sure you have been praying.
Bakuru bishomero ryarwe bita preparatory school bahamiza bazire ngo abana babo bonane baza kubishatagura ngwabwo kuba nibebembeza ruhanga.
Mwenu abana bitu binemico emirungi abwo kukuliro mu dini nibahereza umucaci na mwenu buri sandi itwe nitubatwineho service kandi neba neyebembegwa abeji
banantu okubanza ntubegeso kundarahanga kandi omukundarahanga wano kundarahanga ushimye kuba nogira imico mirungi wotagizire imico mirungi beruhanga to rukumukunda
abeji nabo babitegerize n'ekika cyango.
But our teachers have done their part. We are confident and we have the zeal that we can achieve our goals. They have given us different devices so that we can pass, and this school has also given us sets of examinations.
Gasha kwa Michael Twachire Umurushema.